Right. Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Yes, yes. Yeah. Very, very good morning, guys. Very, very good morning. All right. So let us start our session here today. So guys, before starting our sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concept which I had covered in our last 4 to 5 days of our session. So guys, from last 4 to 5 days, we have discussed about collection framework. So you already know that in collection framework, there are two root interfaces are there. What are those? Collection interface and map interface. In collection interface, there are three child interfaces are there, like list, set, queue. In map, there are four implementation classes, and map is not the child interface for collection. We already know that particular concept also. So we have seen like there is a difference between list and set. List will allows duplicates, set will not allows duplicates. In queue, data will be stored in the form of first in, first out order. In map, data will be stored in the form of key value pairs. Key value pairs. In list, in all list implementation classes, insertion order is maintained. In set implementation classes, some classes maintains insertion order, some classes does not maintain insertion order. Come on guys, yes or no? And some classes will maintain sorting order. When you're speaking about map also, yes, in map implementation classes also, some classes will maintain insertion order, some will not maintain insertion order, and some classes will maintain sorting order, right? Okay, now guys, right now I just want to take an array list. Just please observe array list. Let me just try to take a method void method one like this. Array list. Okay, just let me try to take an array list, please. New. Okay, new array array list. New array list. After that, just let me. Okay, I'll use generics here. Integer integer and just equal to al belongs to array list and integer integer like this. Okay guys, whenever you are trying to create this array list, you will be getting e. That e represents element, type of the element, to be precise, means which type of the element you want to store. Like, is it an integer or else a string or else a byte, float, wrapper class? You already know that, right? Like that. Okay, now here just let me try to pass some data. Al dot add, just let me try to go with 45. Al dot add something like 12. Al, okay, just let me try to get like this, copy and paste like this. Okay, so 156, some 99, some 19, and after that let me go with like 10 like this. Now if I'm trying to print system.out.println al, please observe here. Let me go to my main method. Inside my main method, I'm just trying to print my array list. Okay, so just let me try to create an object, new class a dot method one, like that. Okay, right click, run as Java application, and yes, my data which is present in my array list will be printed. For example, arrays dot sort, I'm going with al. I'm trying to go with al. So what is the use of this? What is the use of the, sorry, hang on. What is the use of this sort method? You know, sort method is used to sort the data according to our wish. according to our wish. Actually, what I want to do here, guys, all these are integers. All these are integers, right? So I'll do one thing, guys. You already know that we can pass objects into collections. Am I right or wrong? Objects, right? So integer is a object, byte is a object, string is an object. Now my question is, can I pass my own custom object into collection? Custom object in the sense, for example, let me do one thing, guys. Okay, I'm copying this. Okay, cut. Let me go to class B here like this. Now, just please observe. Please observe. Please observe here. Okay. Right. Now, in class A, what I'll be trying to do, let me take some data. Int, student, or else int emp id. Int emp id. After that, string emp name and string emp dept department. Some variables like this. All these are which variables? Come on, instance variables. Okay. Now what I want to do here, I want to create a constructor, parameterized constructor. Guys, you know that what are the uses of a constructor? Constructor is used to initialize the object and constructor is used to provide the values for the instance variables. Come on, guys, yes or no? Okay. Now I want to create a parameterized constructor. Just okay. Let me try to create a constructor like this. Okay. I don't want this super constructor call. Let me keep this like this. Just observe this. Just observe the constructor. Did you understand the code or not? Tell me. Did you understand the code or not? Tell me. Okay, I'll do one thing. Just for our security purpose, let me try to make them as private. Private. Sir, is it mandatory to write private? No, not required. Just I'm writing like this. Just for our security reasons, I'm writing it like this. So that if I declare a variable as private, you already know that we cannot access a private variable outside the class. Yes. What do you mean by encapsulation? What do you mean by encapsulation? Process of making fields as private and providing access to those fields with the help of public methods. Okay. Now, just now, what I am trying to do here, I'm just trying to make these fields as private. Now, instead of using public setter methods, you know what is the use of setter method, right? Setter method sets the data. In order to, instead of using setter methods, I'm using constructor. Can I write like this? Now, please observe here, in this constructor, in this parameterized constructor, how many parameters are there? 1, 2, 3. You already know that all these are local variables. Local variables, right? Now, whatever the data which is emp id having, I am assigning the same data to my private instance variable. Whatever the data emp name is having, I'm just assigning that data to the private string emp name. Same I'm doing it for employee data. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Right. Now let me come to class B. In class B, instead of, okay, let me do one thing. Instead of using integer, means in this array list, instead of passing an integer, I want to pass class A object. Are you understanding me? Instead of passing this integer, I want to pass class A object. Guys, you know that collections will accept objects. You already know that. So in this generics, previously I'm trying to pass integer. Right now, what I'll be trying to do, instead of passing an integer, okay, just a minute. Instead of passing an integer, what I want to do, I want to pass class A. Can I write like this? Class A, and here also class A like this. Can I write like this? Online students, kindly please respond in the chat for me, guys. Guys, please tell me, online students, please tell me. Yeah, that is great. That is great. Now, I want to pass class A objects into my array list. Come on, tell me. AL dot add, AL dot add, and here what I need to pass? Class A object. Guys, are you understanding me? Generally, if we want to create an object of a class, concentrate, please concentrate. If we want to create an object of a class, how we are supposed to create? Tell me. With the help of new keyword and which constructor? Yeah, class A only, but which constructor? Available constructors in my class A. Am I right or wrong? For example, can I write like this? Okay, just new class A like this. Can I write like this? No. Why I'm getting an error? Online students, please tell me. Please tell me why I'm getting an error. Because class A is having a parameterized constructor. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Okay, let me try to pass those parameters. What is the first parameter? Integer. Second parameter, string. Third parameter is also string. Okay, just let me try to pass some integer value as 101, and emp name, let me go with like Kishan. Okay, Kishan, Kishan, and department I'm going with just let me try to go with like MCA. Just I'm going with MCA like that, as simple as this. Now like that, I want to pass some more objects into my array list. Let me go with 103 SUJATHA, and just let me go with BTech. Now just let me try to go with 102, and here just one more name, VIJAY, and here I'm just trying to go with ARTS, arts. Just some random data. Now here one more, just one last data, let me go with 104, and here I'm giving the name as Gauss, and tell me one more. MBA. M is already there. Any other? BSc. B is also there. PhD. Okay. No, he will not do PhD. Any other? He's my friend here. He don't have that much of PhD. What? 10. Come on. Right now he's in Dubai. Okay. Commerce. Okay. COMME. Just let me try to go like this. Okay, enough. Okay, now guys, please observe. Let me try to print my array list. System.out.println al. I'm just trying to print my array list. Now let me go to my main method. Come on, concentrate. Main method. Now inside my main method, just new class b dot method one like this. Now please observe, right click, run as Java application, and I will be getting my data like this. But actually this is the object, am I right? I don't want to see this data like this. Actually I am getting hexa integer value. I don't want to see the data like this. Now what I will be doing, please observe, in class A, guys, object class. Please tell me, did you remember any methods present in my object class? Tell me some methods. Hash code method, get class method, toString method is there. Did you remember that? What is the use of the toString method? ToString method will convert the object into string represented format, I said, right? Let me try to override that toString method. Just let me try to override this toString method like this. Sir, how you have generated this code? Guys, shortcut Alt plus Shift plus yes, like that. Please Alt Shift yes, and then you will be having generate toString method here. Generate toString method. Just give a click on that and generate. So toString method got generated. ToString method got generated. Now, after generating this toString method in our class A, let me try to execute class B once again. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Guys, is this the data? See, EMP ID 101, 103, 102, 104. Come on, guys, yes or no? This is the data which is present in my array list. Okay. Now, what I want to do, please observe. I'm trying to use collections dot sort. I'm just trying to use my array list. Now, guys, in Java, we are having two interfaces, comparable and comparator. Let me try to come to class A. Class A implements comparable. Now I want to perform comparable operator on this class A. I'm using this generics. Now, guys, please listen. Comparable interface will sort the data in natural sorting order. For example, okay, and there is one more method, guys. There is one more method in comparable interface. That method name is compare to. What is the method name? Compare to. Now, guys, please listen. Once again, I'm saying, in comparable interface, you are having an abstract method. Sir, what is this comparable? Guys, comparable, that is a predefined interface. Predefined interface. In that interface, you are having a method known as compare to. That is a abstract method. That is a abstract method. So whenever you are inheriting an interface, what you need to do? Whenever you are inheriting an interface into a class, what you need to do? Exactly. We need to implement the abstract methods which are present in that interface. Am I right or wrong? If we are not implementing, we will be getting an compile time error. So the abstract method which is present in comparable interface is compare to. Now, please observe here what I'll be trying to do. Just let me try to go with this dot emp id minus o dot emp id. I'm just trying to write the code like this. Now, please come to class B. Please come to class B. I'm using this collections dot sort. After that, system.out.println al. After using this sort method, I'm trying to use system.out.println al. Let me show you. Just a small differentiation. Just a small differentiation. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Now, guys, is my data sorted? EMPID 101, EMPID 102, 103, 104. Are you understanding me here? Now, for example, let me try to retrieve the data so that it will be easy for me to analyze. Come on, tell me. I want to retrieve the data by using iterator. Come on, tell me. al dot iterator, okay, equal to al dot iterator equal to iterator. Just let me try to go with like I, okay, and now come on, while I dot has next, okay, and here system.out.println I dot next, like this. Okay, let me just try to execute my program. Right click, run as Java application. Now, guys, is my data sorted according to the employee ID? Yes or no? Online students, are you following, guys? Guys, please tell me, online students, are you following? Yes, that is great. That is great. Sir, I want to do one thing. I want to sort my data according to employee name. Can I do that? Of course, you can do that. Please come to class A. Please come to class A. And here, instead of comparing employee IDs, what we need to do? Compare employee name. Now here, there is just one small return return. Now please observe this dot emp name dot compare to o dot emp name, like this. You need to use compare to method for comparing the strings, not dot equals, not double equals. When you are trying to sort the data, you need to use this compare to method. Okay, now just let me try to execute my program. Right click, run as Java application. Is my data sorted, guys? According to strings. G, K, S, V. If I want to compare according to department, can you please tell me? RETURN, return. This dot EMP department dot compare to, exactly, compare to O dot EMP department. As simple as this. Just let me try to execute. Right click, run as Java application. Arts, BTech, Com, MCA. Are you understanding me here, guys? Please tell me, guys, yes or no? Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. Dictionary order, Sasi, dictionary order. Okay, okay. Now, guys, let me ask you one thing. Set, list, map. Please, guys, please listen. Okay, once again, I'm saying you. Okay, just Windows or Notepad. And for example, I'm having list, I'm having set, and I'm having map. Okay, now in set implementation classes, listen to my question correctly. In set, if I want to use set, when I need to use set, when I need to use set, tell me. If we don't want to accept duplicates, we need to use set. Whenever we are using set, if we want to sort the data, is there any predefined class present in set implementation classes? What is that? Tree set. Come on, guys, yes or no? Tree set. Okay. If we want to store the data in key value pairs, then which interface we need to use? Map. In map, is there any sorting class available? What is that? Tree map. Okay. I don't want to use set. I don't want to use map. I just want to store the data by using list implementation classes. In list implementation classes, do you have any class which will store the data in a sorting order? Come on. No. There is no class in list which will maintain sorting order. Am I right or wrong? So if you are trying to take the data in list, if you want to sort the data in list, then we need to use either comparable or comparator. Sir, can we use the same for set also? Yes, you can use, but why? Already in set you are having preset. Then again, what is the use? Sir, can we use for map? Come on. Already you are having tree map. Then again, why? Am I clear with this? Guys, please tell me yes or no. As simple as this. Now, sir, what is the difference between comparable and comparator? Before going to the difference, first have this program in your notes. Before going to the difference between comparable and comparator, please have this program. Keep a side heading as comparable interface. Side heading as comparable interface. Note down some small point. Comparable interface. Note down a small point. It is an interface. It is an interface which is present in, right now these points are about comparable interface. Comparable. It is an interface which is present in java.lang package. It is an interface which is present in java.lang package. Next point. Next point. It is used for defining natural sorting order. It is used for defining natural sorting order. Next point. Comparable interface is having compare to abstract method. Please box this point. Comparable is having compare to abstract method. Please box. Enough. Compare to abstract method. Now, could you please have this program for me, please? After writing this program, I'll discuss about comparator also. But please, first have this program for me. Go ahead. Guys, in interview, you will be getting a question. Try to sort the data in array list or linked list or vector. Generally, you will not be getting questions on sorting the data on hash set. I mean, in set implementation classes or map implementation classes. Why you will not be getting? Already predefined class is there. If you face this question, you can directly say them, sir, already in set we are having tree set which maintains the data in sorting order. You want me to do again? You can ask them, no problem. Sort method will accept list as a parameter. Sort method will accept list as a parameter. not set, not map. It will accept list. Online students, are you following, guys? Online students, please respond in the chat for me. Guys, online students, I know you are writing, but please, I need your response. I need your response. Very good. Very good. Yeah, that is great. That is great. If you respond, I'll understand that. Okay. Yeah, that is great. Thank you. Good. Please go on. Please go on. What is the use of this two-string method? Why we are writing this two-string method? To convert that object data into string format. If we are not using this two-string method also, conversion will be done. Sorry, sorting will be done, but you will not understand. We cannot say whether it is sorted or not. We cannot see the data, right? Okay, what is your doubt, Pranay? Please respond. Please give me the doubt. Pranay, compare to method is present in string class. It will compare the strings lexicographically. Means basing upon the Unicode value, it is going to compare the strings. Which one is greater? Which one is not greater? Shivprasad, this is annotation. At the rate, override, this is annotation. Annotations not required. The reason why we have written annotation means you will understand. Okay, we are overriding compare to method. Where is this compare to method present? Compare to method is present in, I'm sorry, comparable or comparator? Comparable. Comparable. Two string method is present in object class. Very good. Very good. Is it completed, guys? Please tell me, guys, is it done? Okay. Class B. Please. Class B. Go ahead. Class B. Not completed? Then tell me. Just, guys, just a second. Just a second. Note it down. Note it down. Note down. Note down. Done? Okay. Class B. Please. Please. Go ahead. Guys, remember, we are passing custom objects into array list. Oh, guys, yesterday I did not upload Excel file, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Pawan, I'm sorry. I forgot, buddy. I forgot. I'll upload it by today, Pawan. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you for reminding, Pawan. I'll upload by today. Come on, guys. Please write. Please write. Please write, Nana. Manoj, no. We need to write the type, not the object directly. Okay, Manoj. If you're writing like that, you will be getting an error, compile time error. Please check that. Yeah, fine, buddy. Guys, did you practice our previous programs on collections? Please tell me, did you become comfortable writing the code in collections? Like passing the data, retrieving the data, remembering the features? Enough, more than enough. Thank you. Good. Now, these very, very important questions, guys, you should not miss them. That's what, whenever you face this question in interview room, you should be smiling. Why? Because you know the answer. Shabazz, whenever you are using this dot emp id minus o dot emp id means the data which is present in these four objects will be getting compared. First 101 minus 103. Which is greater? 103. It will be removed. Now 101, 102. 102 will be removed. 101, 104. 104 will be removed. So this is the smallest data. It will be saved. After that 103, 102. 103 will be removed. 102 will be stored. Like that, comparing, just comparing, that's it. Not more than that. Yeah, in class A only. In class A, here, whenever you are using this dot emp id minus o dot emp id, whatever the data which is present here, it will be getting compared. Just comparison, that's it, not more than that. Others, no need to worry, others, just please practice it for 1 or 2 times. Easily you will be able to understand. Trust me. If you are still having any doubt, I am there now. You can ask me there. Okay. All right. So guys, completed. Completed. Online students, is it completed, guys? Others, wo is reference here. Reference name. You can take my name. You can take your name. That is just a reference. Yes. Okay. So, all right, guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. Now, let me try to discuss about comparator. Please listen, guys, please listen. Concentrate, guys, please concentrate. Concentrate. Now, whenever we are using comparable interface, we are making changes in the original class. Think about the statement. Whenever we are using comparable interface, we are making changes in the, where we are making changes? Original class. Sir, what changes we have did? Guys, in class A, you have inherited an interface. You changed the implementation. Are you understanding me? In class A, you have written completely a new method. No, sir, I don't want to write a method. I don't want to change my class A. I hope you're understanding me. I don't want to change my class A. Means I don't want to inherit any interfaces in class A. Now tell me, is there any chance for me to override? I mean, is there any chance for me to sort the data? Yes, that is comparator. Okay, just please observe the code, what I will be doing. Okay, now guys, these are private variables, right? So for private variables, we can use setters and getters methods. Answer. Already we are setting the data here. Yes. So if we use get method, that would be great. Okay. Just let me try to generate setters and getters methods. And I want only get method. Guys, are you understanding me? I don't want set methods. Why? Already constructor is there now. With the help of constructor, I'm setting the data. Then again, what is the use of writing the setters methods? So I'm just trying to write my getters methods. Get emp id, get emp name, get emp department. As simple as it is. Online students, up to now, is it clear? Nana, please respond in the chat. Up to now, is it clear? I'm just using getters methods. I am not using setters methods. Why I'm not using setters methods? Already I am having a parameterized constructor which is setting the data. Okay. Now, please observe here, guys. Okay. Let me come to my package. Okay. Right. Let me try to take a class. Let me delete this. Okay. Just I'm trying to take a class, new class.